How to get unlimited foreign friend requests on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Go to search bar on top right. Click on We Love and the country you want friend request from. You'll find all these kind of groups. Suppose I search We Love USA and I will join all the I Love USA groups. After that, people will find I joined and they will send me friend requests. You can do same with other countries as well as you'll find groups of all countries. And this is how to get unlimited foreign friend requests on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.